Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini Air Sign, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. And this is year ending readings 2021 messages. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Gemini. What are the messages for Gemini? Air sign. Okay. So I want clarification card for 10 of swords. Okay. Maybe you're dealing with Libra here. So under the deck, the Empress, the Hermit, and Judgment. Uh, Maybe you're dealing with Virgo. I think right now you have to make some decision here, but you are in some confusion, Gemini. That's why you're going through some transformation, or you want some space from all issues around you. Just you isolated from all and taking care of yourself and seeing everything or analyzing everything in detail here. Yes, you're just isolating from all here, and you're in the process of making decision. At the same time, you want to take your power back here, and you want to work on yourself to becoming very strong person, especially in a emotional way. Yeah, emotional wise, you want to become a very strong person. And for some, the woman in this connection could be pregnant. Yeah. Or if your woman want to be pregnant, this is a higher chance for you. Maybe some of you will get pregnancy if you are trying for pregnancy here. The Empress is here. So 8 of Pentacles. I think Gemini, you are working hard here towards your goals, to achieve your goals. 8 of Pentacles. Your total focus is on your career. 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, financial stability is coming. And you're very focused here. Yes. Nothing will stop you. Then 10 of Swords. I think in relationship wise, maybe something happening between you and your person, or in the work area also you have some struggles. 10 of Swords. Maybe you're doing a lot of work, you're feeling overburdened, you're feeling stressed. But there is some help is coming. 3 of Pentacles with Justice. Someone is going to help you. And for some, if you have any obstacles with your person or any misunderstandings with your person, on some of you, maybe you are in separation, so someone wants second chances here. Someone is returning from past, because 3 of Pentacles with Justice. Someone wants second chances here. Definitely some from past, someone is coming back to you. And for some, definitely both already known to each other. You both working in same office. And King of Cups. I think for some it could be a brand new person is coming to offer their cup of love to you. And for some, you still have strong emotions towards your person. Maybe some of you accepted their apology and ready to offer your cup of love to them. Yes, King of Cups. For some, you have options here, but someone is returning for second chances, but your total focus is on your career. Yes, you're totally focusing on your career here. So let's see your relationship or love life. Gemini. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energies here. Or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Clarification card for King of Wands. Okay. Under the deck, Seven of Cups with King of Cups and Two of Wands. This person is thinking about you a lot. Maybe this person have options here. That's why they're taking their time. But they do have feelings for you. They really do love you here because King of Cups is here. But they have options. Yeah, they have options. That's why they're taking their time. They have to make choice before coming towards you. They're going to be choose you. Yes. Because Page of Pentacles, they will initiate contact here. If you are in no contact, if you are in contact, yes, they will contact you and they will talk about their intentions with you. And King of Wands is clarified by Four of Wands. They are going to take action soon here because King of Wands, this person is very very passionate about you and this person is really want to work on this relationship. And Four of Wands, they're ready to offer stability here. And for some, your person is very dominative here. Yeah. And Nine of Swords is clarified by Hierophant. Maybe you're dealing with Taurus here. So Nine of Swords, I think your person right now going through anxiety and depression. Maybe they're scared to lose you here. Commitment or stability issues between you and your person, and very few of you, maybe other marriage is also involved in this relationship. Yes, marriage, another person or another marriage is also involved in this relationship. Maybe they hide this from you, but maybe came to know about this truth. They have regrets, they're feeling guilty for what they did to you, but they want to be with you here. And for some, they're ready to offer stability. Yes, now they're ready to offer stability. So you will get call or they will take action soon here. So let's see the message you don't see coming from universe. Gemini. Maybe you're dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Wow. I think there will be a forward movement in your life which is coming very fastly. Definitely things are changing for you very fastly. Yes, Eight of Wands. Maybe traveling is also involved here. Maybe you have to travel to another country, another state here by the end of this year. Traveling is also involved and you will get lots of communication from your person. And yes, in your relationship wise also, you will get communication here. Eight of Wands. Wow. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. You are pure perfection. So your person is feeling that you are pure perfection. You are very perfect in their view and I want you back. Yes, your person is wanting you back and you are the only one for me. So they're feeling that you are only one for them. Yes, so you are pure perfection. I want you back and you are the only one for you. One for me. Other messages from your person. And so let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Gemini. Meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces. Maybe you are dealing with Pisces here. Meditate and contemplate. This is one of the message. And the second message is a time for healing, Blasmic moon. So for those who are going through emotionally right now, this is a message for you for meditation, or it is a right time for you for healing. And emotions are running high. So Gemini, what's going on? So for those whose emotions are running high, this is the message for you. Do meditation and heal yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.